Step 1 to start the dishwasher.
Step 2, flip on the Hatco switch. Step 3, flip down drain lifter arm, if not already down. Step 4, insert drain tube. Step 5, install the right notched cover plate. Go. Step 6, install the left cover plate. Ensure the side goes along the side of the washer. Step 7, install the flat strainer.
Ensure it is pushed against the left plate.
Step 8, install the strainer. Step 9, drop down the front cover plate. To achieve this, slightly lift the front cover up, push back the holder, and drop it down. Ensure that the full front cover plate is pressed down into the machine. Step 10, check the operational switches. Ensure that the top switch is set to auto, which should be down, and the second switch straight across, which is off. Once these are checked, flip the machine on. When the machine is ready to start rinsing, it should be at 150 degrees before beginning washing dishes. Step 12, pull the handle down. The tank will fill. This will take approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Step 13, turn on the water for the rinser. Ensure that everything that is going to go through the dishwasher has been properly rinsed. If you find that this sink starts to clog, the garbage disposal for this sink is right here. You just press the button to turn it on. It has its own water source, so please do not spray this water while the garbage disposal is on. Turn off the garbage disposal. Make sure that all fingers, all silverware, and things that could mess up the garbage disposal have not fallen in before turning on. Step 14, load the trays full of the items to be washed. Place the tray into the machine, pull handle, and the machine will start. Please watch this readout. When the rinse button goes off, it is safe to open the dishwasher. Pull out your items that you washed, and they will be sanitized and ready to be used again. The last and final step is to do everything backwards. Make sure all parts that have been installed have been removed, and make sure all switches that were turned on have been turned off. If you have any questions regarding how to use this machine, then come to the office and speak to the office about how to use it properly.